Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the data registers in Siemens Plc schematic S7200. What's the introduction of 8-bit data, 16-bit data and 32-bit data? So let's get started. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will never miss my upcoming videos. Move this one. See, we use this one in this move MB data. In this data registers, you can move MB data, word data and double word data, and move R we can using for floating point data. Real data means here I will take one close contact and here we will use first this MB data. MB data, this is for example I0.0 I will use for this close contact, and here I will put the value, for example 8-bit data is the value how much 0 to 255 means total points 256 can be used in 8-bit data, and 8-bit data we can use only this in MB condition. Means I will write it here, for example MB 10, after I will move this MB 10 in MB 20. Sorry, MD20 I type. See, you can see if I type here MD20 or MW20, this will be not accept. We have to type it here MB20 because of this data is only 8-bit data, and 8-bit data you can use only in this MB series. So in next we will choose this one. This I will use open no problem contact I0.1, and here we will take this MW data. MW data, what we can write only just MW 20, for example I will write, and I will move this MW20 MW 40 I will write. Sorry, not MW 40, we can write MW 30. Because of this data registers we can use only up to 16-bit. This value total is 32,767. So in this serial MW20 MW we can use. And in next row we will choose this also one more contact. I will take open contact and MD data registers we can choose. I0.2 contact I will choose for this one, and here we can choose MD0, for example this data register, and I will move this value in MD20. If I will write it here, for example MW20, you can see it will be not accept because of this is the double word data. We have to be must be MD10 or MD0 you can use only, and this MD start from this data registers MD0 up to this 32 beta, or this value is very long, 0 to 2147483647. This value you can move in the MD20 because this is the double word data, and this we will download to the PLC. And let's see, first I will check the communications and click on double click, refresh the port. My cable is connected with the PC to PLC, and it is now take some time to complete the communication, in which one data register is remaining. Move R we have to be using. This move R we will use for floating data. Because of move R, floating data is what? This is the real data, means you any value which is coming in digits, this will be can move in only DW. Now click OK. It's ready, and this program we will download to the PLC. Put in the stop mode, and after run the PLC again, and I will make the simulation on. And now you can see this is a highlight because of this. My close contact is the I0.0 is on. I will type here some value. For example, I will type it here 255 and write, and you can see it forward the 255 value. Because of this is the MB data registers, and this value only you can up to yani 256 255. If I write it here, for example 256, it will be not accept, because what he says, this size of data type is not valid for the instruction operand. Because of this MB data registers only just accept the 255 value, and see this will be moved. If this I0.0 signal I will removed, after you can see what's the function of this data registers. I will show you. Now I press this I0.0 and I write it here value, for example 220, and as I make it the execution, after this will be moved to the next data register. And this MB20 you can use it another data registers for any value for moving. And here you can see this is the MW data registers. MW data registers, how much value can be accept? Up to 32,762 yani. I will write same value, for example 32,767 I will write, and click enter, and I give the signal at I0.0.1. See, as I give the value at the I0.1, this value I type, again I will type write the value, this 16-bit data 32,767. This value I write, and this value it not pass because of, for example in the minus this value 32,000. If I write, it writes in binary, I think so. MW20 we will write it here for example 450, and click enter, and when give the signal it will be going to the minus. Because of this is one have another problem, stop this value, and this MW0 we will write MW0 we will write, and this MW5 we will write, and again download to the PLC. And make this one and write the value here, 32,767. And as I give this value now signal at I0.1, you can see this forward the value 32,767. Because of this MW data registers only accept this value 32,767. Maybe I will write it here, for example 7 8. If I will write, it will be not accept, because he says this size of data type is not valid for the instruction opened. This only accept up to 767. See, this value will be forward. So same as this MD data registers, here you can very long value you can write it here, which value I already tell you. This is up to 2 million look like, yani 147 483 647 up to this value can be moved in MD data registers, and write this value. And as I give the signal at I0.2, this value you can see it moved, yani this value. If I change this value, for example, I will write it here, for example 8, this will be not move, but it will be not show the address, what's the problem, but it will be not move. Otherwise, if any low value if I write, it will be accept. You can see this is the 214748364 value, it will be right, and move also. If 7, I will write more 7, after this will be move. You can see this is the move. Because of this accept only, this up to any value double word data registers are look like this, near around 2 arab data, 2 arab value, this will be can stored and move. So this is one more data register have to be remain explaining. I will write it here, this move R, this move R data register. This is using for floating point values. I0.1, for example, I will use 0.1, we will use for this one, and this is you can use MD 10 and MD 25, MD 25, MD 10 up to MD 25, this I can move. And this I0.1, which is this, I will delete, and this we will be compile and download to the PLC. And click it OK and make the simulation. And this floating value, here we can write the value, for example 1.0098 and write, and as we will click this, you can see 1.00098 value, it will be moved. means which you like to be integer like to be moved, you can use this data registers. And if you like to be in floating value, this data register you can use in for floating value. For example, we will write it here 7685 and click enter, and this will be move this value. And after this one 768.0, this value will be right in the this data register move or MD10 or MD20, 30, 40. This data registers you can use, and this is floating data. So this is the type of data registers: MB data registers, MW data registers, and MD0 data registers. And MB you can use MB, and move W you can use for MW data registers, and move DW you can use for double word data registers, and move R you can use for floating data registers. So hope guys you will be understand about this data registers, 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit data registers. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.